Okay, so since I've launched this channel, I've made a bunch of Shopify themed customization videos. I've made the breadcrumb video, free shipping bar video, countdown timer video, and the video that I just launched about Shopify bundles. So I've spent a decent amount of time customizing the Shopify Dawn theme. And so I want to share with you the 2 things that I've learned from customizing Shopify themes. That way, you merchants out there that just launched your Shopify store can understand what goes into these things, right? Okay, so the first thing that I learned from customizing Shopify themes is that customizations that seem really simple on the surface end up being super complicated. A good example of this is the free shipping bar video that I mentioned, right? So in that video, I created a way that you can add a free shipping bar element to your cart drawer so customers can know when they're about to hit that free shipping threshold. That's a way to push them towards buying stuff, right? Cool, simple, right? Wrong. So I recently had one of you guys reach out to me and you asked me how to customize the free shipping bar to be able to connect with Shopify markets. So that person, they were selling clothing in the UK, in Asia, and in the US, right? So 3 different areas, right? And they had a different free shipping threshold for each area, which would make sense because the shipping cost to each area is different. Now, in order for that to work, I had to customize the free shipping code to look at his current Shopify market settings and be able to pick free shipping thresholds for each one. Now, he only had 3 of them, so that wasn't a big deal. But imagine you as a Shopify store had a Shopify market all over the world. Like you had a bunch of them, right? In that situation, it can get pretty challenging setting up the free shipping threshold, right? So in that situation, a customization that was super simple ended up becoming crazy complicated. And that leads me into the second thing that I learned from customizing the Shopify Dawn theme. Sometimes it's just better to use a Shopify app. I know, Shopify apps cost money. You're not trying to pay for that. You just got started. I get it. Believe me, I feel you. But once you got some money in your pocket, you might want to invest in Shopify apps that really help you push the needle for your business, really help you get more sales, get more people to come back to your store. You know what I mean? Investing in Shopify apps is not a bad thing, especially since now I understand just how much effort goes into making these apps work. Another example I'll give you real quick is the Shopify bundles video that I just made, right? So in that video, I showed you how you can do quantity-based bundle discounts for certain products. So let's say, for example, you're selling supplements. You allow people to buy a pack of 3 supplements, 30% off, right? There's a little button right there you can set up. You can add to cart, and instead of adding 1, it adds 3, and it sets a discount, right? That doesn't seem that hard, right? Wrong. That thing was so complicated. Writing the code for that video literally took me 10 hours. I had to write all the code, I had to test it, I ran into a bunch of stuff I didn't know. I was like, wow, how do I do this? And then I had to go dive down the rabbit hole of figuring it out, right? So in that situation, let's say I was building that snippet of code for someone for their Shopify store, right? I might have charged that person somewhere between $250 and maybe even to $500, depending on how they wanted to customize it, right? Because that code ended up getting really in-depth, right? That's expensive. As opposed to imagine you just get a Shopify app to do it, right? In that situation, going the Shopify app route probably save you some money. And also, if you're making money, and you're making more money than you're spending, and you have a decent profit margin, not a big deal at all, right? Side note about this, one of the things that people in the comment section might say is, but Patrick, you said Shopify apps slow down your Shopify store. And that is correct. But Shopify added this feature, I forgot when they added this, it was a little while ago, called theme app extensions. If a Shopify app that you're using has a theme app extension, apparently theme app extensions allow for the Shopify app to not negatively impact your page load speed as much. So if a Shopify app has theme app extensions, there's a good chance you won't take that big a hit on page speed. Now, of course, I haven't tested it, so don't take my word as gold here, but it's another reason why maybe it makes sense to use a Shopify app. And keep in mind, there are a lot of free apps out here that you can kind of DIY your way to a working feature until you got enough money to invest in an actual app to handle it for you. So, with all that in mind, that is what I learned from customizing Shopify themes, right? Now, moving forward, I'm still gonna do some more stuff with themes, but I really wanna dive into Shopify app development as well. So, if you enjoyed the video, let me know in the comment section down below what you thought. Maybe you agree with me. Maybe you think what I'm saying is wrong. Let me know in the comment section down below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.